Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can see who unfollowed you on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, there are several third-party apps which can tell you who unfollowed you, who liked that post, this post, took a screenshot, visited your profile. I wouldn't trust any third-party apps. Usually, if they're free, they either take your data or they have adware, malware, or anything else of that sort. But you can find out who unfollowed you very easily. You just go into your profile in the bottom right, and then if somebody's following you, they will be under your followers, and you just need to tap on your followers and see who's there. As you can see, I don't have any followers on this account, but if they are in your followers, they still follow you. If they aren't, then they have unfollowed you. If they used to be before, you can just go ahead and go into your followers and search for that person. For example, if I go into following, I could tap search right here and search for somebody. Or if I was in my followers, I could do the exact same thing if I had somebody. But yeah, you'll just need to cross-reference and do it with memory if they followed you ever in the past or not. And that's the only way you can find out if somebody unfollowed you. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.